Assalamu alaikum. Today we can propagate strawberry plants from cutting. Look at these are beautiful strawberries are here. First of all, we can take a runner. Look at this. This is a runner of the strawberry plant, which with a few leaves. And one thing is that there is a small leaf. Now we can cut a aloe vera plant. Aloe vera plant is very important for the propagation of different types of plants. It's playing a very important and key role. Now we can cut a small piece of aloe vera plant. Look at this. We can expose a gel of aloe vera plant. Now place this cutting. There are different types of roots are also present here. Now we can place a aloe vera plant with the cuttings. Now this is ready for propagation. Now take a empty glass, plastic glass filled with soil. The main thing is that you can fill a soil which is contain nitrogenous waste and also contains some fertilizers in it. Now take our cutting and simply put in the this type of glass. Adjust the aloe vera plant and now adjust the cutting into it. Also insert a wire because this wire play an important role and plant cannot be fell down. This wire can hold the plant. Now fill it completely whole glass with organic salt soil which contain organic matter, mainly plant manure, animal manure. This is ready. Now cut the extra piece of branch from the cutting. Now it is ready. Now add water in the glass. Look at this. I can add water in the glass because water is very important for the growth of the plant, germination of plant. Now it is ready. Your preparation, your cutting is ready. Now leave this preparation for 10 days. After 10 days, you can look at this. Look at this. They are germinated, their large leaves are present. This shows germination. It is an easy and simple method. You can grow strawberries plant at home. It is rootings. Look at these, the roots are present. Now I broken the glass. Look at this. The cutting is shown growing and there are a lot of roots are germinated, grown, and the leaves are also present. Now you can take a large pot which is filled with the dust, filled with the soil. Now I can place this cutting, this small plant into the large pot. Now fill the pot with the soil. But the one main thing is that you can take a soil which is filled with mineral nutrients. I also add a little small fertilizers in it and small animal manure. I completely filled the pot with the soil. Adjust it. The whole pot is filled with. Now add water. add water and fill the pot with water. Now 55 days later, there are strawberries are grown on it. Look at this. Strawberries are grown.